Now we head to Brazil, where BRK, a water company in Brazil which serves more than 15 million people in over 100 cities, has been working with Transcend, which is a generative AI end-to-end solution for wastewater treatment works. Again, this is an example of a young innovator working hard to play a part in solving one of the water sector's most pressing challenges, an aging wastewater infrastructure. With the Transcend design generator, the user needs to provide information including volume and end water quality, and the software will provide the user with an engineering design. What's truly unique about it is that the power of generative AI can be leveraged to design more carbon neutral facilities. Understanding the operational and embedded carbon footprint of wastewater treatment plants is crucial for addressing their environmental impact. By quantifying emissions with a life cycle assessment, facilities can identify areas for improvement and implement targeted strategies to reduce their carbon footprint. Let's hear from Dani and Caique now on the Transcend and BRK partnership.
Dani, Caique, it's so nice to talk to you both today. Thank you very much for agreeing to come on the Water Action platform. The first thing I'd like to ask you is a little overview of the technology.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Joe. Well, I will do a quick introduction about Transcend. We are a generative design software that automates the conceptual engineering and proposal processes. So the goal is to automate the early stages of the conceptual design and evaluate a large range of alternatives for a project. We target to bring into all engineering disciplines such as process, mechanical, civil engineers together working simultaneously instead of that traditional step-by-step approach, so we can have an end-to-end product that allows the companies to make informed decisions faster.
Dani, okay, that's a great summary. Caique, maybe over to you. What was the project or the program about from the BRK perspective?
Hey, everyone. Hey, Joe. In 2022, BRK started using Transcend for more advanced conceptual designs, being that we mainly use it for studying different technology roads and indicators and quantities for CapEx and OpEx, so we could check the fluctuation between them. During the first half of the year, we built confidence and trust in the platform process and calculations. Once we were convinced that Transcend delivers our need, we fully understood its premises, we started to disseminate the platform within the departments of our company. Nowadays in BRK, we started using the platform as a baseline for internal discussion and has become a part of the decision-making process in engineering.
Understand, fantastic. And what was the driver behind that? What made you want to start the project in the first place?
We wanted to start this partnership so the company could lower our engineering costs and timing when studying projects.
That's really interesting. So, Dani, from your perspective, what are the most important results or the main conclusions that you can draw from the work you've been doing? And yeah.
So BRK, first of all, has been a fantastic company to work with. They have been helping us actually to improve the platform capabilities and really understand the unique needs for my beloved Brazilian market, which is quite different than any place else on Earth, I would say. So it's been just an incredible partnership.
What obstacles have you come up against, or how did you get around glitches? What have you learnt for next time?
I would say one of the things that we learned with BRK is the building the trust. There was a lot of engineering time from our end in the meetings to really help everyone understand how we do the calculations.
So, Caique, from your perspective, what are the key outcomes, or what are the impacts it's had on business as usual?
Previously, we used to hire outsourced companies and consultants for this level of project. However, when using the platform, we have more autonomy to analyze the available options and make smarter decisions. As Dani was saying, we took a lot of time to better understand the tool and to gain expertise when dealing with the calculus. Because generally, when we input an info, we were expecting a different output, but that does not mean that the answer is wrong. We just have to understand what happened in between. Maybe we were dealing with only 10 factors, but Transcend was dealing with 50.
What I found really interesting is how Dani talked about how it's been a real partnership between BRK and Transcend. They started off with one site, and the final solution went through many iterations to get the software exactly suited to BRK's needs.